Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We're out here in the carving tent getting ready to carve a little bear. Now, we recently put out a tutorial carving up a very similar bear that I'm going to do, but I've got a new little saw here that I want to try detailing with, so I'm going to share that with you guys. Plus, if you missed it, you know, we've hit over 20,000 subscribers and we did it before the end of 2023. Pat yourselves on the back. You guys are awesome. I really do appreciate it. So what does that mean? That means we're going to give away a brand new Steel MS-170 that's tucked away over there. And I think we're going to discuss how to enter and details for that throughout this video. So I'm going to go over this saw and use it in detail with it, but we're also at some point going to discuss how you guys can enter to possibly win for a chance to win. So one of you can win that brand new Steel MS-170 and some other things I'm looking to do with the channel, so maybe we can get some chainsaws in hands or tools in hands of those who are starting to carve. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you guys haven't already, and stick around to start gripping and ripping and making some sawdust.
Alright guys, like I said, in this video we're going to give full details on how to enter for that Steel MS-170 so you can have a chance, so we can get one lucky winner to win a brand new Steel MS-170. But first, if you want to learn how to carve this little bear that I'm carving right here, I'm going to have a link popping up top right hand side of this screen. If you don't care about winning and you don't want to watch the video all the way through and you'd rather learn how to carve this bear, you can click that link. It'll take you right over step-by-step video, full tutorial, beginner carver style, 2 camera angles, walk you through so you can create this bear. Now for those of you that want to win the Steel MS-170, well, a chance to win, be sure to stick around because we're going to give those details really soon. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, all right? Hey guys, so I'm switching over to this handheld Sane Logic chainsaw. The nose on this is the same size as a dime tip bar, so this might be a good option for a very beginner who doesn't have a ton of money to spend but wants to get the dime tip bar in their hands to be able to do detail work. So I'm going to be using this through some videos and really, you know, trying it out. But if you want to jump the gun and just buy it to try it, the thing is on sale. It's pretty cheap right now through Amazon. I'll have a link down below. You guys, it's on sale to the end of January. So if you buy it up now, you get the sale that they have going on. And if you use my link, it helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Also, if you guys want to see a full-on review of this, just making cuts in my first take, I'll have that link popping up in the top corner of the screen. You guys can check that video out. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all if you haven't already. And did you fast forward? Did you catch the details for winning, for a chance to win the Steel MS-170? Just saying. Alright guys, this is the moment you've been waiting for. Got a couple things for you. First, make sure you have hit subscribe, you hit the bell, you hit all, and your YouTube notifications are on. Next, give this video a thumbs up. And be sure to comment below MS-170. Make sure it's a fresh comment, not under anybody else's comment, but be sure to comment MS-170. That's it. That's going to give you a chance to win the new Steel MS-170 that I want to give away. And I believe we're going to try to do that giveaway on February 2nd, which is a Friday, so we'll go live. We'll put everybody's name on a wheel, and we'll hit it and pick one lucky random winner. So that's it, guys. That's what you got to do to enter. Hit subscribe, hit the bell, hit all, turn on your YouTube notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and comment MS17.
Alright guys, I know it's just a quick little bear video. We've seen them all, right? Nah, probably not. Hopefully you got the gist of it though. We did some talking through here and you guys know what you got to do, right? This is that Sane Logic chainsaw. I'll have a link down through Amazon if you guys want to buy it. I think I mentioned it in the video, but in case I didn't. Now, it did start to die on me, but honestly, I did a review of this, and now I've used it to just do a quick detail. I never charged the batteries when I got it. I forgot to charge them, so this was just factory charge. You're going to see this again in some future videos, though, because we'll charge it up, and we'll use it for detailing, and maybe we'll see how many like little pieces we can get, or big ones, but I think this could be a great addition, even for a beginner, to do detail work, because the nose on this is the same. It's a dime tip bar. So like if you got a 170 for blocking and you're like, man, I don't have a ton of money to get another saw or to even set that up into your detail saw to do little carvings, this could be an affordable option for you. It really could be. Link down below through Amazon. You guys buy through that link and it helps support the channel. It does. Plus, before the end of January, this thing is on sale right now till the end of January 2024. So now is the time to purchase one if you're going to, and it's going for pretty cheap right now. And it doesn't feel like a super cheap tool either. You get 2 batteries, you get a charger, you get that dime tip bar on there, 2 chains, a pair of gloves, and a really sweet box to keep it all in. So check it out, guys. I'm enjoying it, and I think I'm going to continue to enjoy it through some other videos. So here's that little bear, guys. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you haven't already. Check out some videos popping up. Keep gripping and ripping. Have an awesome day, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.